So now we're doing the little rainforest walk, which is quite pretty, before we get back on for the next leg of the cart. So you can see all the beautiful rainforest. Lost for the word then. I'm a good commentary person, aren't I? Beautiful. So green, fresh, smells beautiful. Pity you don't have smell-o-vision. Smell-o-vision, and not Shane smell-o-vision. What did you do? God. Okay, so now we're coming to a lookout of some description. Hang on. There we go. So yeah.
No, that's where the cable looks. Cable goes.
Yeah, that's the next spot down over there. So I don't know if you can see that.
Next one.
But you can see right over there that wiring. So that's where our next cart will go. Then we get on the train to go down. Really, babe?
That was a yowie. What how?